Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to fix Facebook login code not required. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the menu option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings again, and after a few seconds you can just simply now tap on see more in account center, and here you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on password and security in the account settings section, and after this you can just simply click on the second option, that is two-factor authentication, and here you can just simply select the Facebook account, and here you can enter the password or you can now tap on continue. And after this, the Facebook login code not required on Facebook is fixed. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.